Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, welcome to Wednesday, and we are going to see some scattered showers later today, courtesy of our strong cold front on the way. And then lows will be falling to the 50s by Friday morning. As we take a look, here's our front, and ahead of it, there is some wet weather already across parts of the west coast, the Gulf Coast of Florida, and we are going to be dealing with some rain later on as well. Though right now we are dry, we are going to be dealing with those passing showers and even possibly a few storms as we get into the afternoon. Low 70s right now in Miami and Fort Lauderdale, 81 in Key West with those winds out of the south. So yeah, by the time we get into Friday morning, we're going to be about 20 degrees colder in comparison to this morning. So we're seeing those winds about 5-12 miles an hour, but we'll be building throughout the day. It'll be breezy at times, and we'll see some gusts up to 18 miles per hour or stronger. Notice how it's late morning, 11 a.m. noon, when we will likely be dealing with those showers pushing in as our next weather rain trackers indicating that there could even be a few downpours as we get into 1-2 p.m. and when we pick up the kids from school. So just keep the umbrella in the back seat of the car. It's going to be one of those days where you want to just throw the poncho in the kids' backpacks as well to be safe. Into the evening, we're not seeing a whole lot of activity, but there will be the potential for passing showers as the front is going to be moving in. By tomorrow morning, we'll be waking up with low 70s along the coast, around 70 in Homestead and Miami and Fort Lauderdale, but some upper 60s inland possible with the low 70s across the Keys. Friday morning, though, is when we'll experience that big chill. It hasn't been this cold since February, by the way, so get ready to bundle up because we're going to drop to the low to mid 50s in Broward and Dade, the Keys in the low 60s, and Saturday morning still the 50s, the low to mid 50s, in fact, in Broward and Dade, and then we see milder conditions for the Keys. So how cold will it be here as we get into your Friday and Saturday? Not cold enough for those falling iguanas, but it's certainly going to be sweater weather for us here in South Florida. In the meantime, you can still head to the beach today. Moderate risk of rip currents since we are going to be in the mid 80s for highs. No alerts over the Atlantic waters. Wind southeast 10 to 15 knots, seas running 2 to 3. Choppy though for the Florida Keys. No alerts. So showers and some storms possible today, then cooler, sunny, and spectacular as we head into the weekend. It is going to be beautiful. We look at the tropics, and right now cyclone development is not expected over the next 7 days, and we love that. We are very happy and grateful for that. Now tomorrow morning we begin the cool down, 70 the low, 78 in the afternoon, 55 Friday morning and Saturday morning. Those will be our coldest mornings. Highs only the low to mid 70s. It is going to be fabulous. Make those outdoor plans. And then Sunday still chill in the morning with the 50s, highs in the upper 70s. Back to the 80s by next week.